Hey there, in this quick video, I'll show you how to get those crystal clear icons for your iPhone running iOS 26. So let's get started. The first thing we do is press and hold in a clear space, just like this. You'll see the icons getting jiggy and you head up to the top left corner, click on Edit. We have a small pop-up menu. We want to go to Customize, the second one. Now, we have some options down here and you can guess which one it is. It's clear. So tap clear and you can see crystal clear, just like that. Now, if you want to also remove the labels, come here to the top right. Look at that. Pure icons, pure bliss. To complete the job, tap on a clear space. And there you have your perfect icy looking iPhone. Now, if you change your mind and you want to switch back or try something else, press and hold in a clear space again, select Edit, select Customize, and go back to Default. Now, it's missing the writing, the labels. Come back here, top right, and look at that. Back to as we were. So I hope that's helped. If it has, give the video a crystal clear thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a cool day ahead.